mga key players of the teams who will be playing, please, because we have 2 more sets of guests for today. Please, Benny.
Okay. Sige, Ma'am Judith, ito. Ateneo. So, ang Ateneo, we're gonna have Charles Chu. Tapos, still to be confirmed, and I'm crossing my fingers, Chris Chu. Okay. You're talking here of former coaches, Yuri Escueta, Noy Baclao, Eric Salamat, Baji Del Rosario, Magno Membrere, Maki Escalona, and Doug Kramer. And then, of course, JC Intal will be playing there. When it comes to the Green Archers, Rico Meyerhofer, Ryan Aranya, JD Casio, Jerwin Gaco. So yung mga heroes of the mid-2000s and early 2010s nandito. Papot Paredes, sino pa ba? JR Aquino. Okay. Now, when we talk about the UE Red Warriors, Paulo Jobalde, Ronald Tubit, nandyan din of course. Ngayon, nakaline up na si KG Canileta. And then there's this certain player, number 18, apelido yata, Yap, I don't know. I don't know if you're familiar with him, but I don't know. Let's see.
Team Yap.
We never know. Tapos, when it comes to the Mapua Cardinals, nandyan yung the usual core nila, but ang kanyaan talagang lumulutang dito, Hesed Gabo will be playing sa upcoming season natin. And then si Big Mac has mentioned already yung sa kanila. When it comes to the USD Growling Tigers, yung Jeremy Cruz, yung Jojo Duncil, yun yung grupo na yun. And then Sanbeda, Adamson, Soaring Falcons, Ken Bono.
Yes, okay. Big Mac short invite sa lahat ng mga kaibigan for this Alumni Cup.
Sa lahat po ng mga manonood ng basketball enthusiasts, huwag po ninyong kalimutan manood ng Pinoy Liga as a whole, especially our alumni. You can come to the venues kasi malamig yung venue, maganda. Usually sa beaches tayo, so you can come there, mas maganda, mas maraming tao, and you can also watch our games sa social media ng Pinoy Liga. And we will promise you na isang competitive na liga, isang competitive na laro ang ihahatid sa inyo ng Pinoy Liga Alumni Cup.
Yes, it is exciting to see our old warriors from the collegiate leagues sa Pilipinas are playing again. Maraming salamat po. Pinoy Liga Alumni Cup, abangan po natin. PSA, magbabalik po kami after a while.